enwego ọtụtụ ihe arụtachara aka mana enwere ihe dị mkpa taa. Ọ bụrụ na unu lee anya unu ga-afụ na a na-achọ ime elekshọn nke ọhaneze ndị Igbo. So anyị ga-eleba anya na udo dịka ọhaneze ndị Igbo unu chọrọ, ka o dịka prezidenti unu chọrọ, ka o dịka ihe unu chọrọ, ka ihe unu tọgbara anya ya na ya bụ elekshọn. Maka ha ebidogo dawa elu ụka. Maka ọ bụrụ na unu lee anya na ọhaneze ndị Igbo elekshọn enwere usoro a na-eji ahọpụta onye na-achị. During the time of Eze Ọzọ, mgbe a hachichara constitution of ọhaneze ndị Igbo, asa ga na-eme steeti nke a wepụta prezidenti na ya chụcha steeti nke ọzọ na-egene wepụta. So mgbe emechara ihe aha so oke na Abia steeti a mere na alphabetical order, asị na Abia steeti ga-ebido wepụta onye ga-awụ prezident general of ọhaneze ndị Igbo. Mere o jiri rute Joe Irukwu gacha ya erute ndị Anambra steeti Ikedi Ife bụ onye bịara Ghana, ya bịa gacha ya bịa rute ndị Delta steeti wee chee bụ onye gara mba. Mgbe ọ gachara ya bịa rute na Ebonyi steeti gara iwe eme gịnị ga. Mgbe ọ gachara ya bịa rute na Enugu steeti nne ya nwụrụ ya wute current president general na. Then ten ya ga-eme expire na 11th of January 2021. Ebidokwala n'ihe gbasara ntuli aka ma ọ bụ ikwu okwu ihe gbasara ya bụ elekshọn. Ọ bụ ndị Imo steeti bụ ndị ketere. Anyị lee na ọhaneze ndị Igbo elekshọn constitution article 11 kwuru okwu si na na-azọwa ya na a ga-enwerịrị mmadụ atọ ga-azọ ya bụ ogene ọkwa. But ọ bụrụ na ọ nụrụ anya ihe mere n'oge gara aga bụ ndị akpọrọ elders n'Imo steeti si ha gbakọtara without iso n'ihe constitution ukwu si na ha mere screening. From ịnụ na ha mere screening, ha si ha mere onye a na-akpọ prọfesọ Obiọzọ endorse. From isi ha mere endorse, asị House of Assembly mere endorse. Ụmụ Igbo amaghịzi m ma ọhaneze ndị Igbo enweziri parliament, enweziri House of Assembly ọhaneze ndị Igbo, asị na ndị House of Assembly mere endorse. Ọ ya bụ ihe na-aga wụkwa ihe na-agbagwoju anyị anya. So aga m achọ ka anyị nwee reaction. Kedu ụdị onye ụnụ chọrọ? Kedu ụdị onye ndu ọnụ lega anya ga the next president general of ọhaneze ndị Igbo? Maka ọ bụrụ na ọnọdụ anya ọnọdụ ndị Igbo nọ kịta dịka ihe kwuru gbasara ndị Igbo ndị na-ekwu okwu Biafra, ndị Igbo ndị na-ekwu okwu restructuring na Igbo presidency, anyị si ụzọ ihe atọ akụ ngịnị bụ ihe dịcha mkpa. So I chose a president that can marry them together, a president that will represent and respects each of the opinions of ndị Igbo si ọ bụ nke a ma ọ bụ nke ọzọ. So aga m achọ ka anyị nwee reaction ihe dịka ndị ga-ekwu okwu ha were aka ha elu. Ụdị ihe ị ga-ekwu okwu ọ ga-akarị otu nkeji gị mee ka ọ pọntị si lekwe ihe wee echiche gị. Then I ran there up. Then what is your sort of the swearing in or out of office of the Directorate of the Contact and Mobilization and Defense and Planning. They won. So because moderators can literally go back to that area. They moderate also. I think that they
local government. Okay. And when you join my election, you are an for which in the south. Yes. And we have to make election, you are an I think my suggestion, I need somebody with no experience about how Ohanes has been running. Also known partly either at the executive of Ohanes. Secondly, election I never before. State on it and the House of Assembly and I didn't have endorsement. if it has not been like that, that means we are rejecting the endorsement of NDU. Yours, why they present is not governing or only NDU. It has to be all the 5 eastern states and the other states so now and so personally, and my own suggestion, I want to suggest that youth should think towards somebody with the experience on how Ohanese has been running. If I should speak further, I want to assure or encourage all of us. Let's think towards Dr. Joe Moore. I believe he will be a better person
of this general election. I question when in January. If you follow the trend, or the in the governors, whatever they delegate, can form more electoral board. Even Imobi, because I'm following this, Imobi seat in the head. But recently, I don't know how they seat. I think tomorrow they will sit. So I think they follow here about their outcome. Because now, some of the youth, thank God to our president Iwayaka, who started the media. Even Dr. Niawodo, she's in order to get a consensus. No one of the Hashwana support in the of the lawyer. I know why it would be very, very happy. So now, Okana is and we're not going to marry the Ohanese Youth Council Constitution and that of Ohanese Youth Council Constitution. What is the impact of Ohanese Youth Council to this Ohanese election? How many Igbo youth can be dedicated to that? Because I believe that Igbo youth must be there. Yes. So we need to follow it out. Those youths and our parade, those government youth, because we know that what is Nigeria, just like our elder has stated, is that no, we're in that fashion. They will not give us the people that will talk. They may not give us the people that will represent us. On the Epusigorona and Agego Nedota, the people will be here and making it on and putting it to our president. How are we going to make sure that our interest, not only that night that ever meeting and all those things, can I ensure that our interest, one of the member of this OYC can be part of that delegate of the election? What is the problem? How can we bring in? How can we come into this system? Everybody an issue within here or any fashion. How can we bridge that gap? Because I want us to be part of this election. So that we accept it. So people, I'm just saying that I don't have to take much of our time. Work on this until we wait for the decision of the Imo. We have seen so many candidates coming. We have seen Hakem. We have seen many people. Thank God they are from Imo. Assess them. Tell us where we are going, and OYC will go with you in Jesus' name.
Ihe m na-ekwu bụ ebe ọ bụ nọ n'Imo steeti ka ọ nọ na anyị agaghị enwe a consensus candidate. A ga-eje na the 3 senatorial districts enwere na steeti ahụ họpụtakwara mmadụ eto a ga-akpị aka pụta ofu onye maka anyị sị ka anyị jee n'ofu onye ka kwada same consensus candidate and onweghị anyị agaghị amụ ya ọfụma. Ọ kaara mma ndị Imo jiri aka ha hụta maka asị na from different states that means onye ọbụla azọwa ya mana n'Imo steeti na-agaghị enwe ofu onye anyị ga-eje na different locations ọta mkpụrụ mmadụ ọhịa ka o si
wait.
Okay. Oh, I see.
You will be here?
Thank God at least.
Okay,
I'm okay. Yes. For a long time now, I'm going to this program. Like this, I've been informed. I'm going to Ghana was around this establishment. Problem is that we are in a lack of information. I'm not going to some few months into another. We are not going to tell her. I don't know what they. We need to tell our people what this thing is all about. A few people know that even now information, you go home and stay. And we won't tell our brothers. Like here, that we are today, and what a lot of things. What information is ever and on is my answer. The kind of thing who was a kid, for what I have from you. It's okay. Always some power not to do whatever I want to do. And then to rescue. our people outside this place, Marna, who were here inside us. Coming to the election we are talking about. Up top of that, after Mona, because now we went back to our pushing back to many years ago. You need to buy yourself the election to give you money. I like to go carry so and it's very, very important. It's affecting us. Now we are talking about the election and they will be able to. And then there's some group and I'm back to one. When you know about the person, we have to come in as a youth. At least now, I know why. Only no matter my God, show me that I start any donation. I want to know if it's fair any donation. Give them information about the person. When you have about the negotiate in their family, background, up that way again. Man of life for the at all. We need to work. Give us information. Why ending up money? Why they give us their history? To us, and then you can come out and say, only I'm doing a job. That's my point.
Delta State, yeah. So this is my first time of coming here, and I'm happy to be here. There are some issues I've been asking about Igbo in particular. You understand, my father has really been more specific about the Biafra war because he was the Biafra army. The picture is there, and so on. But when it comes to this election in particular, I will like the forum to bring in electoral debate. If we have 3 or 5 people that want to go in for election, they should come out and debate and tell people what they have for Ohanaeze. They are going to at least debate, tell the people this is what we can do, this is where we can take you to, you understand, and what they intend to do. And more also, I would like this house to let this forum go into media because I've not been seeing. It's only when it comes to rumors about Chief Wodo and all that, or when the IPOB leader is trying to criticize it. That's when I know about our ideas. But I would want us to let people know about this forum because this is my first time of knowing this gathering and something like Ohanaeze. So thank you.
Oh, I see. You were vegan.
Oh, I see.
I'm from and I'm for it. I'm West Local Government. I'm before the level of the company. I'm a very level of the use. Like the old federation. Of course, when you use the hand of the federation level, where the head starts. I'm a maker at least it's an eye-opener with our leaders. And they are actually making them from the political reaction. Where to get I'm so happy for that demonstration. They are open now, the President General of OIC. And if I'm not moving the election now for Imo State, that is not the time. You are not suggesting, already of the House of Assembly, and they are not accepting it. I told the agency, because of how I got one door, and they had the neck. What I'm suggesting is that when you got trouble going on with our life, when you have blood, when I hope that doesn't have mother, when they trace their family background, their upbringing, yes, where's what happened. And I will put on our leave. But I don't know, the other guy on a dragon, so I asked that man, but also I know you, yeah, God, I am talking to them. I told them I will never when I wrote that with her. Who the robot now? Someone there have an experience. So we have to watch a level more. Oh, we have to watch a level more before. When I told you an experience, we have during the war. It will help us a lot. And we don't have to present our agenda for leadership. This is my own suggestion. Then they will put their hand up.
Oh, I see. You will be good.
Oh, I see.
Mr. President, election is an election that actually demonstrates our stand.
election, the committee created from the council is now superseding the council itself. What happened? Because it was allowed the state governors to select. So it is political. I will actually put the here. See how the meeting of meeting party of meeting of the council. And this is not what they want to do again. I am of the opinion that this election, the council will play, the youth will play their major role now. How will we play it? One, let's use media on them. When you bring 2 or 3%, we will assess them. When you actually will destroy the person on time through media. We start the destruction on media on time and not after the time. Let's get the historical background of the person. Nobody is good. Manipota is all the thing. The bad things in 50 years we were unfair. Every unfair, we criticize you. We tell the whole people why you are not qualified and suitable for the situation.
So, as a blog of the last person, I thank you for
allow me to finish to round up.
Asimna, everyone governor of Imo State endorse, and then the House of Assembly endorse as the next President General of our SND. You can hear Professor George Obioso. On the Puna, on the youth answer at your own yam. Ona na-ekwu na ndị ọzọ zọgan na ka ile anya maka enwere Dr. Jomo, former secretary Ọhaneze Ndị Igbo, enwere Dr. Chris Asoloka, enwere Professor Chido Sabu, nwee Barrister Gode Ụwazirike. Ona na-ekwu na mmanụ anọ ndị a ka ilezie anya marazi onye chinacha Ọhaneze Youth Council ga-support. Ọ na-achọrọ ka ndị gọvanọ ma ndị minista ma ọ bụ senators get involved na the process of Ọhaneze Ndị Igbo election. Nke atọ, ihe ewu Ọhaneze Ndị Igbo constitution o kwuru na election ahụ na opekata mpe mmanụ atọ ga-stand for that election, and then with constitutional provision ọ na-ekwu na all the constitutional provision for this election must be followed. Nke anọ, enwere otu esi na-ama akwụkwọ o wee eziokwu ma ọ bụ asị. Ọ na-ekwu na ya achọghị any external influence, ma ọ bụ onye Yoruba, ma ọ bụ onye Hausa, ma ọ bụ onye Fulani, ma ọ bụ an individual na-awụghị onye Igbo i get involved na Ọhaneze Ndị Igbo election. Maka ọ bụ ihe ọnụ nwata nna ya dinyere ohi na-eji ụkwụ emekere. Ọ bụ ebe a ka anyị ga-atachi ihe gbasara ya bụ election. Ngwa ngakwa ọnọdụ na every information concerning the election aga m na-enye ọnụ ya. Anyị ga na-atụkọlata uche marazie ihe anyị ga-eme ma ọ bụ ọta anyị ga-esi eje, maka amaara m na election a chịrị ime ọka dị anyị mkpa than anybody, maka ọwa our future, our present and our future ka a gaje ịkpa maka ya. And ndị na-edu anyị ọwa anyị nwere time, the elders ya na-ekwu ka ọnwụgbuo ha, but anyị ma that n'ala Igbo okenye na-ekpe ekpere sị ka nwa ya lie ya. Ọ bụ okenye na-eli nwa ya, ọ bụ ihe ndị Igbo na-ekwu okwu ya. So ọ bụ ka anyị jiri si na ọ bụ anyị wụ the major stakeholders na this election. Ọ bụ anyị ma ndị youth, ụmụ okorobịa na ụmụ agbọghọbịa ndị Igbo ga-edecide onye ga-anọ ndị a. Ọkwa ihe ekpebiri. Biko a sị na ajụwa akwụ ka pịawa ya ọnụ, anyị mara na oge mgbupụ ya eme ngịrị eruola, na ọ na-adịkwanụ mma anya ọchị akapewa ya ọnụ maka ịga akapewa ya ọnụ ọghọla otu a sị na ugo eberele na mgbagbu